Welcome back. This is Workshop Wasteland. My name's Jared, and I'm coming at you again today with another quick trick or treat. I guess this is kind of a treat, but did you know on McMaster-Carr's website, basically all of their products are able to be downloaded as a 3D model, and then you could 3D print them? This is a supersized wing nut. This is a supersized carbide insert for a lathe tool. And then this is a ball bearing. All of which are really easy to download, totally free. And the best part is, when you look at the product details for all of these products, you can see the dimensions and all of that right there on their website. If you're into 3D modeling and you didn't know this, you definitely need to. Also, you should probably subscribe, because I have some more pretty sweet tricks and treats. Let's hop over to my computer and I'll show you how to do it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Alright, so here on McMaster-Carr's website, basically, within reason, everything on this website has a file associated with it. So let's take a look at just a plain basic hex nut, just for the purposes of this video. So if you say, for example, you need a 2" by 12 hex nut, click on the blue hyperlink. You can either click download right here, or you can go to product details. Here it'll give you some more information, like for example this is a 3" diameter nut on the flats, and it's 1.719 inches thick. But there again, you have the download option here. Then once you download it, you can pull it right into your slicing software like this. And there is the nut that you just tried to download. And then if we look, this was the insert. As you can see, it is very tiny. So we can scale this sucker up to something bigger. And then there would be the insert. I obviously printed it larger, but you get the idea. So this is really helpful. You can use the nut in Fusion 360 or Tinkercad or something like that. You could use this as a negative. In other words, cut this material away in your print so that after you get it printed, you could drop the nut right into your 3D printed part and have good clean threads, or do whatever you need to do. Just thought I would share this. I think it's super useful. It's a neat way to be able to get different parts and pieces that you need. And I mean, literally practically everything on their website is downloadable. Let's see if we can find another example of something. How about a circular saw blade? Let's see if you can get one of them. So there again, 3D step file. Let's download that. Come back here. There's the circular saw blade. So as you can see, this is a really handy tool. Hopefully you found it useful. Hopefully you're able to use it. And most importantly, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.